there was a river. In the river, there lived an old crocodile. He was not able to hunt anymore because he was weak. One day, he was hungry.
Oh, it is very difficult to hunt on land now. I must think of a way so that I can survive.
Then he sat under a tree. A merry monkey saw the crocodile and asked,
Why are you so sad, crocodile? Take some apples. They are very tasty.
Thank you, dear monkey. Can you please give me that apple every day?
Okay, crocodile.
said the monkey cheerfully. The monkey then gave the crocodile some apples. The crocodile ate the apples every day. One day, he thought of an idea to eat the monkey's heart.
How nice if I could eat a monkey's heart.
Then he went to see the monkey.
Hey monkey, my friend wants to meet you.
The monkey was happy and said,
Yes, I will be very happy to see him.
he sat on the crocodile's back. When they were in the center of the river, the crocodile looked at the monkey and said,
I want to eat your heart now.
The monkey was shocked and he immediately had an idea in his mind.
Hi, crocodile, but I forgot my heart on the tree.
The crocodile was furious and said,
Go now, take your heart and give it to me now.
the monkey was very angry. When he landed on the tree, he pointed to the crocodile and said,
What a foolish crocodile you are! How can you take the heart from a body? Yet I have been giving you so sweet apples, but now you want to take my heart. I will never give you those sweet apples anymore. You are not my friend.
The crocodile said it and was very upset. He realized his mistake and walked away hungrily. Dear friends, the moral of the story is one should think thoroughly before taking any action. Thank you.